Welcome to Mechanical Engineering Design, and you are going to design this part that you see on the screen. So let's go straight to design. We will design from top plane, sketch, pick center rectangle, and then from center point drag like this. Smart dimension, the width is 145 millimeters. And the base, as you can see, from the center of this hole to center of this hole is 50 mm. And then we have an arc here which has a radius of 20 mm, and there are two, so 20, 20, 50, that's 90 millimeters. So this base is 90 mm, like this. Now we have this part over here, the distance of 65 mm, you see, from this edge. So we'll use a rectangle again, this time corner rectangle. From this edge, drag it downwards like this. Smart dimension, this face is 68 mm. Now, and from this edge to here is 65 mm. So from here to here, 65 millimeters. Like this. Then we'll give a relations. So identify center of this line or midpoint. Just click and hold on shift. Click center and make vertical relations like this. Now go to features and extrude. We'll select this contour and this one, then reverse direction. Distance of 20 mm. Click OK. Now click on this sketch and then extrude. On contour, we'll select this contour, but this one has a height of 15 millimeters. Like this. Now we'll use fillet command. Now we'll use full round fillet. Select on the first face, second face, and here select the third face like this. Click OK. Here's what we get. Now we'll apply fillet on this side. Now we'll apply radius of 20 mm. Go to fillet, and then edge fillet, radius of 20 mm. Select this edge, go to this edge, and finally this edge, like this. Then click OK. We'll create these holes, so go to sketch, pick circle, and select this face. Now we will identify the center of this arc, which is here. Draw the first circle, and then on this side identify center, draw the second circle. Smart dimension 18 mm. Same to this one, but we'll just give relations. Hold on shift and make them equal like this, and go to features, extruded cut. Select through hole. OK. This is what you get. We go to this other part, just pick on corner rectangle, select this face. From this corner, this line, smart dimension, this side is 20, and go to features and extrude blind, height of 30 mm, as you can see here. Click OK. Now we'll click this face and sketch. Go to sketch and then select convert entities. Click on this face, go to convert entities. Now go to trim, then we trim center line, and you'll get this sketch. Go to features and extrude boss base at a distance of 15 mm. Click OK. This is what we get. Now we will create this web, and we'll use a simple method. So in this method, just select on right plane, sketch. Just pick line from this point, this point, select. So this line is fully defined. And go to features, select rib. Thickness is midpoint, 10 mm. Now direction is towards the body, and click OK. See? So simple. Now we'll create this part. So just click on this face and sketch. Pick circle. Identify center point. Okay. So click on this line. Hold on shift. Click on this circle and make tangent relations, which makes it fully defined. So just exit sketch. Now the height of this part is 40 mm. So we'll have to create another plane on top. So go to features, reference geometry, plane. Our first reference is this face, and then height of 40 mm. Okay. We'll click on this plane and sketch. Pick circle, and you have this circle at a radius of 20 mm. So from center, smart dimension, diameter of 40. So it's fully defined. Exit sketch, and we have two sketches. So click on this plane and hide. Now go to features, lofted boss base. So we'll select profiles. First profile is this circle, and second profile is this circle. Okay. Look what you get. Now our last feature is to drill hole, and as you can see, it's a through hole. It goes through this feature through to this other feature. So click on this face, sketch. Now pick circle, identify the center point, and draw diameter of 24 millimeters. It's fully defined. So go to features, extruded cut. and select through hole. See, then okay. Finally, this is the feature we are looking for, and as you can compare, they look similar. So thank you for tuning in. If you are new to this channel, ensure you subscribe and turn on notification. See you in the next video.